हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स करेंगे क्योंकि इनका यूज़ डिक्टेशंस में बार बार होता है। सो इनकी प्रैक्टिस करते रहना चाहिए। कुछ शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स हम डिक्टेशंस में यूज़ नहीं करते तो उनकी आउटलाइन बनाना भूल जाते हैं, इसलिए इनकी प्रैक्टिस ज़रूरी है। एंड कुछ शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स सेम है, उनमें बस लाइट एंड डार्क का डिफरेंस है और वो हम जब स्पीड में लिखते हैं तो हम बनाना भूल जाते हैं, इसलिए हमारी एक्यूरेसी कम हो जाती है। उसके लिए भी मैंने एक वीडियो बनाई है, आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाकर उसको देख सकते हैं, वो आपके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होंगी। अब मैं शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स को अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में डिक्टेट करूँगा। गेट रेडी। अकॉर्ड, अकॉर्डिंग, एक्नॉलेज, एडवांटेज, एडवर्टाइज, एडवर्टाइजमेंट, एडवर्टाइज्ड, all, altogether, an, and, any, anything, or, as is, balance, balanced, be, because, become, becoming, been, behalf, belief, believe, believed, beyond, build, building, but, call, cold, can, cannot, care, cared, certificate, chair, chaired, character, cheer, cheered, child, circumstance, cold, come, commercial, commercially, could, danger, dear, deliver, delivery, delivered, description, different, difference, difficult, difficulty, distinguish, distinguished, do, doctor, during, English, equal, equally, equaled, especial, especially, everything, exchange, exchanged, expect, expected, I, familiar, familiarity, February, financial, financially, first, for, from, general, generally, gentleman, give, given, go, gold, govern, governed, government, great guard, head, hand, has, have, he, him, himself, his, or, how, however, I, immediate, important, importance, impossible, improve, improved, improvement, in, income, inconvenience, inconvenient, individual, individually, influence, influenced, inform, informed, information, inscribe, inscribed, inspect, inspected, inspection, instruction, instructive, insurance, interest, investigation, is, as, it, itself, January, knowledge, language, large, largely, larger, largest, liberty, lord, me, member, more, mortgage, most, Mr., much, myself, near, neglect, neglected, never, nevertheless, New York, next, nor, northern, nothing, November, number, numbered, object, objected, objection, of, on, opinion, opportunity, organization, organize, out, organized, our, ourselves, over, owing, own, owe, owner, particular, people, pleasure, practice, practiced, principle, principally, principle, probable, probability, probably, prospect, public, publication, publish, published, put, quite, rather, regular, remarkable, remark, remarked, remember, remembered, represent, represented, representative, respect, respected, representation, respectful, respectfully, responsible, responsibility, satisfaction, satisfactory, school, schooled, sent, several, shall, short, should, significance, significant, signify, signified, something, southern, speak, special, specially, spirit, subject, subjected, sufficient, sufficiency, sufficiently, sure, surprise, surprised, telegram, tell, thank, thanked, that, the, their, them, themselves, their, therefore, they are, thing, think. Third, this, those, though, thus, till, to be, together, told, to, toward, trade, tried, truth, to, under, United States, university, usual, usually, very, was, we, welcome, what, whatever, when, whenever, whether, which, who, whose, why, wish, wished, with, within, without, wonderful, wonderfully, world, would, writer, yard, year, yesterday, you, young, your। फ्रेंड्स, ये शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स थी। आप इनको इसी डिक्टेशन के माध्यम से लिखिए, और जो आपसे इसी स्पीड में नहीं लिखी जाती तो आप उसको बुक से देखकर उसके अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कीजिए।